Welcome to Amazonia, the world's largest rainforest powered by Earth's largest river. You and your team have chosen to go on a dangerous mission from the base camp at Rio in Brazil to the Diamond Valley mines in Colombia. Yes, Amazonia covers 9 countries and is home to the largest number of living plants and animal species in the world. Your mission is to unearth as many diamonds as you can and come back to the base camp in no more than 22 days. So, what are you waiting for? Decide what you want to purchase for this treacherous journey and get going. Once again, the purpose of your mission is to unearth as many diamonds as possible. Your treasure awaits you.